Hello everyone, I'm Sanjana from Grade 12C and today we are visiting SCM Textile Spinners, Thekkalur branch. As we entered the mill premises, we were welcomed by the staff and given an introduction to the company's history, operations and contribution to the textile industry. Our tour began with an introduction to the different types of cotton used in the mill. We were shown cotton sourced from various states of India as well as from different countries. The official explained how cotton is graded based on factors such as quality, fiber length, strength, and cleanliness. This grading process helps ensure that the most suitable cotton is selected for producing high quality yarn. The first stage is the opening and cleaning process, where raw cotton is cleaned to remove dust, seeds, and other impurities. This is an important step because the quality of the final product depends upon the cleanliness of the cotton. The next stage we observed was the blow room process, where the cotton is opened, mixed, and cleaned. During this process, dust and other impurities are removed to prepare the cotton for further processing. We also learned about the mill's sustainable practices. The company focuses on the efficient use of cotton by minimizing waste and making the best use of cotton fibers throughout the production process. Next, we observed the carding process. In this stage, the cotton fibers are separated, straightened, and formed into a continuous strand known as sliver. The process improves the uniformity of the fiber. Then we move to the drawing section, where several slivers are combined and drawn together to make the fibers more even and consistent. After drawing, the material undergoes the rowing process. Here, the fibers are slightly twisted and prepared for the final stage of spinning. The spinning section was one of the most interesting part of a visit. We observed advanced machinery converting the rowing into yarn. The workers and supervisors explained how modern technology helps increase efficiency while maintaining quality standards. After spinning, the yarn is wound onto plastic bobbins or cones. This process helps in easy handling, storage, and transportation of the yarn. We observed how the yarn is neatly rolled onto these cones using automated machines before being sent for further use in textile production. The official emphasized the importance of workplace safety and demonstrated the safety practices followed inside the factory. We observed how employees use protective equipment and follow strict safety guidelines. This industrial visit provided us with valuable practical knowledge that complemented what we learned in the classroom. It helped us understand the real-world application of industrial processes and the importance of technology in manufacturing. On behalf of the student community, I would like to thank Sri Nachimal Vidyavani School for this wonderful opportunity given to us. Special thanks to SCM Mill who allowed us to visit and take videos inside the premises. Thank you everyone.